61% of the marketers believe that SEO is the key to online success. SEO not only focuses on improving the quality of the content but also the overall user experience. Thus, one of the crucial factors is off-page SEO. Oh, what is off-page SEO and how does it work? Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Chandra and let's understand what is off-page SEO is all about. Off-page SEO refers to the optimization technique that takes place outside of your website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines. These techniques are focused on increasing the authority and relevance of your website in the eyes of search engines. Off-page SEO is critical to your website success because it helps establish your website as a credible and trustworthy source of information in your industry. The more credible your website is, the higher it will rank on search engines. Thus, in turn, leads to increased in traffic, higher engagement, and more conversations. Backlinks. One of the most important components of off-page SEO is the number and the quality of backlinks pointing to your website. Search engines view these links as a vote of confidence in your website, content, and authority. Social media. Another key component is your presence and engagement on social media. The more active and engaging your social media presence is, the more likely you are to receive links and share from these websites, which can improve your search engine rankings. Brand mention. Mentioning your brand or website on the other website, forums, blogs is also an important component of off-page SEO. These mentions help increase your website visibility and can also lead to backlinks. Local SEO. Local SEO is essential for your businesses locally oriented. For local businesses, part of the off-page SEO is really in-person SEO. Word of mouth marketing plays a big role in getting people to your business. Not just that, happy customers can leave review online. Google and other potential customers can use to see how well you are doing. Off-page SEO is a critical aspect of SEO that should not be ignored. By focusing on backlinks, social media, brand mention, you can increase the authority and relevance of your website and improve its visibility on search engines. If you wish to know more about improving your organic traffic, click in the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video on off-page SEO. If you found it helpful, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks on SEO and digital marketing. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.